Welcome to Wealthy Ways. Today, we're exploring the power of persistence, passion, and change with insights from Gary Vee, Grant Cardone, Tony Robbins, and Mr. Beast. Prepare to be inspired to make every day count, to see success as your responsibility, and to learn why embracing change is crucial for growth. Let's dive in. Look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, what do I want to do every day for the rest of my life? Do that. Gary Vee. This quote by Gary Vaynerchuk serves as a reminder to prioritize personal fulfillment over financial gain. It suggests that long-term happiness and success are rooted in aligning your daily actions with your passions and dreams. To apply Gary's advice, start by identifying what excites and motivates you, then seek ways to incorporate that into your career or daily activities. It's about creating a life that feels as good on the inside as it may look on the outside. Success is your duty, obligation, and responsibility. Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone's quote implores us to treat success as a personal mandate. His message, commit to your goals with the urgency of duty and the dedication of responsibility. To make this principle work for you, set definitive objectives and approach each with unwavering determination. It's about making every action count and viewing each achievement as a step toward a larger responsibility to oneself and to success as a whole. This proactive attitude can turn ambitions into realities, making success a standard, not a rarity. If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten. Tony Robbins' quote reflects on the necessity for change to achieve different results. It's a call to break away from routine and comfort zones, suggesting that if you want a new outcome, you need to change your approach or behavior. Applying this advice means assessing your current methods and being open to and trying new strategies or ideas. It encourages personal growth by promoting adaptability and learning from past experiences to shape a better future. After some point, it's like you feel like you should quit, but you want it so badly you just keep going. Mr. Beast. Jimmy Donaldson, known as Mr. Beast, is recognized not only for his YouTube success, but also for his perseverance and positive mindset. This quote is a testament to his resilience and determination. It underscores the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity and the power of sustained effort toward one's goals. In daily life, this can be applied by maintaining focus on your goals even when the going gets tough, and using setbacks as fuel to keep pushing forward until you succeed. Take today's lessons to heart. Pursue your passions, embrace your responsibilities, welcome change, and never give up. As you reflect on these powerful messages, consider how they can steer you toward a more fulfilling and successful life. Subscribe for more insights, and until next time, forge ahead with Wealthy Ways.